Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on our friend GRDO Incorporated, ticker symbol GRDO. What you see here is what the chart looked like last time, and just real quick overview of what I had gone over and what I had drawn. We had these two green days, but it was one of these situations where the price had made its move up, and then was pretty much just doing a pennant formation, flag formation, whatever you want to call it, meaning there's a big up move here on above average volume, and then during this portion of things where the price was just going sideways, volume dropped off quite a bit compared to the breakout days, and which is what you want to see because that's just consolidation. But it was just a pattern where it was kind of a wait and see situation, where it was kind of, is the price going to go up this way, or is the bear's going to kind of grab control and push it through this support trend line. But you can go back and watch that video if you want. These lines are from when I did that video. I haven't touched them. So real quick, we'll just go through. The next day after I did the video, not much, stayed within the range. Volume, nothing, huge. Here we had a green day, but once again, you look down here at volume, nothing big. Was green, but once again, was still within this pattern. And then today, booyah, you can see broke to the upside of this resistance trend line. You had way above average volume compared to all these previous days, and here's the result. So the power of charting, the power of being patient when the overall trend is up, is witnessed right here. So congratulations to the GRDO shareholders. Very nice move. Made new highs, above average volume. So that you could put this chart in a textbook as kind of a a pennant flag formation where there's just some nice healthy consolidation on lower volume, and then you get the next leg up. So there's a little quick lesson and recap. Now let's dig into the fun stuff and figure out where these supports and resistance levels are. And I can't remember if, yeah, well, let's give the weekly chart a try here to figure out where these levels are. Okay, this is much better. All right, let me move this up. And the only reason I'm doing the weekly chart is because we're going to have to go back quite a bit in time in order to find support levels. The first one that sticks out is we had two highs right around this area that were basically the same, but we'd been above those for a while. Okay, so that's still a support level. Whoops. Let's try that again. There we go, green for support. We had a high here at, okay, the James Bond level, 007 is one of our supports. And then here we go. Here is our newest resistance level that was broken. Looks like today with the action, that being the high of this candle back here, and this week goes back to November of '08, and this high being 1 penny. Okay, so the penny level was our most recent resistance level that has now been broken, and because that is the case, it now turns into support. As far as resistance levels go now, these are going to be our two main support levels at a penny. And we also have, let me point out, this trend line here, which was resistance, is now a support also. So sometimes you'll have these breakouts and then it'll come back down and test the trend line before heading back up. But these are going to be your three support levels. So one more time, we have one here, our second one there, and then our third one is right here at that trend line. Resistance, I'm hesitating because you look at this candle, there wasn't really any volume. So I could say, well, it's 2 cents because that's the top of that candle, draw that line over. But there's not really much, that wouldn't make too much sense. So really, you're just in blue sky breakout territory. I guess I could extend this back some more. Yeah, blue sky breakout in terms of resistance levels. You do have a little miniature one. That one just simply being right up here where the profit taker stepped in today. But after that, you're back into the blue sky breakout territory. What was the high today? Was 0.0125. So this is your short-term resistance, and but like I said, after that, you're in blue sky territory once again. So good job. Just chart's really doing a nice move up above a penny now. That's always a big kind of conquest. So just to go back to the weekly, and we'll kind of end it there. Overall, the chart, is looking good even from a weekly perspective. This was a pretty weird week, but last week was very a big consolidation one, as you can see there. and now you're reaping the rewards there. Um, Still kind of low volume, but the one thing to keep in mind with volume is, the more expensive it gets, obviously the less shares can be bought for certain amounts of money, so that volume is going to go down. But nonetheless, I'd like to see this get at least above, well, I guess size-wise, we'll just compare it to this previous volume bar down here. I'd like to see it be bigger than that volume bar, which looks like it can be possible tomorrow with another nice day. But overall, very nice week so far, and definitely a good day. So if you have any other questions, let me know, but hopefully you don't, because it was a beautiful day. Also, I'd encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net. If you go there and sign up for the emailer, you will be sent a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews. And with your subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational things, from big boards all the way down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, no strings attached. It's all free, so it's worth at least checking out. One more time, this is Guard Dog Incorporated, GRDO. Thanks for listening.